home and you can access many articles of good journals. So one thing is that first I tell you about this. How search this. Now open this one. This is a website that you, through this you can access millions of papers at your home or anywhere you are, but you should have a good access of internet. That is more important. Now you can type here URL, you can paste, you can type any PMID if you know of any paper. DOI, you can, through the DOI you can also search. So anything you know, just paste here and open. Most of the papers I have tried in my research, which is not accessible to me at home or whenever I try to find out. So the only option I get this is SciHub, and through this I open all the papers and I access all the research papers I want, except the research kit, which is difficult for me. Otherwise all, such as this is most important, means very prestigious journal, as you all know. So in this we know the paper is not accessible to me, and only option is that you can buy it at this price, and I'm not getting any option here. So only thing which I see here is DOI, which is not even available in this matter. When I scroll it down, it is also not showing any DOI here. But when I look at the link of this paper, just look at it, there is no DOI. So here just 10.1007, this 2Y, copy this number, this is the DOI of this paper. Just copy it and paste it in the SciHub here and open. You can access this paper when it is not available to you freely. You need not to purchase this. Here paper is. Scroll it down, the whole paper is there. You may download it from this save or from this anywhere. Just click. It is downloading here, Wang 2013. So, and like this, here we have Roots for Better Health. There is no option for download. So go to DOI, copy this link and open this also. Back. It will take some time. Here, paste and open. I hope it will. Yes. So again you get this paper also. It was not available to you, but now you get it freely. Save it wherever you want. Now another paper, here we downloaded. Now this one, child development in developing countries, this DOI. You should, if it is not so, you can also paste the PMID number, anything you can use, or URL also, paste it in SciHub. This is the best platform for every researcher to access papers, whatever, wherever they are, they can download. again it's also open. So friends, I think this video will be helpful for you.